Okay, welcome to DIAMONDFX group. I'm going to walk you through how to install the software. So first of all, you open your platform, your derived platform MT5. You click on the file. You select open folder, open data folder. So I'm going to do that now. So the screen pops up like this. Then you click on the MQL5 and you click on indicators. So the file I sent to you, you're going to copy it and put all the files here. So I already did mine, so I don't need to do it again, but let me show you. Uh, the file is here, it's the MT5 strategy. So you're going to need to unzip the file. So once you have a unzip file, you can also copy and say copy to clipboard. All right, so we've copied that. Then you go to the folder that is open, which is the indicator folder, and you dump, you paste all the files there. So because I have it there, it says replace, so I can just do that. So once you're done with pasting it, that's all. You just need to close your platform. You go back to your derived platform, you close it, and then open it again. So I'm going to go ahead and close this one. Then I'll open it again. So once you open it again, this time you want to put the indicators on your system. You want to put it on the currency pair you want to trade. So let's say you want to play on you want to trade on the volatility 100. So you come here. By then your indicators will be here. All right. So you're meant to attach each and every one of those indicators on the page here. So to attach it, you can either drag and drop. So let me show you. First, you have this one Forex Xero. You put it and you say OK. So it comes up with these candlestick alerts, which is the price action. It shows us that whenever we have bullish engulfing system, that means that we are going to be a buyer. We're going to be looking for buying opportunities. All right. So the second indicator that we have on the software is the price action, the price position. So you put in the price position, you put in the HLR, put in the GAN, you put in the fractal, and all of them are very important, okay? So I'll show you one by one. So let's say you put in the chaos also. There's the chaos ARZ. So the chaos ARZ is meant to be your supply and demand, or your support and resistance software. Is this one that paints blue for support and you find red as resistance. So I have to scroll back. So this is your resistance point. So you put in that one also. Then you go down. For me, I have a lot of indicators, so don't mind what I have here. So this is the GAN. The GAN helps us to pick the entry points. The entry points are where you enter into the price. Okay, once you have a bullish engulfing, wait for this price to enter into this channel, then you buy. As you can see here again, you get a bull cross, price enters the channel, you buy. Here you get the bullish engulfing, price enters, you buy, and so on. So that is how you trade with the system. So you also put in the HLR. The HLR is the high and low resistance points, which helps us to get the uh, uh, low range and the high range, which is the overbought and oversold levels. So once the price is down here, we are looking to be buying. And once it's up here, we are looking to be selling. So, but once you have a strong trend, right, this will be neglected because it has to go way up. But remember that you want to buy, you want to be a buyer from a low point like this. All right. And you want to monitor your bullish candlesticks and bearish alerts. All right, so the other ones you have there is the fractal trend line. The trend line helps us to draw trend lines. So if you see it is very light, it's a very light colored software. It's here. All right. So once you have your bullish levels, you have your bearish. Once the price is above the bearish level, it means that the price is going up. So it's a bullish scenario. Okay. So that's how we use that. Then we go to the next one. Go to the next one. I have lots of them on my own PC, but just mind the ones I've sent to you. Now, this is the price position. It's very important. Price position. It gives us a direction of the market. So it says here buy above 38883. So if you look at that level, it's been surpassed since. The level should be somewhere here 388. All right, let me go up 388. 388. I'm going to the 388 level. So as you can see, yeah, we're right there, 3886, this 3883. So in there it says any price, anytime the price is above this point, you have to keep buying or look for buying signals. So we stay in this buy position area. And you have to be a buyer from the lower point. So, but once the price is getting to this high point, remember it's getting to the resistance area, so it might be difficult for the price to move up at this time. But the buys will have started from the lower points. All right. So the next one is after the price position, you have the daily line, the daily open line. All right. The daily open line is important because we want to see where the price is at. So once you put in the daily open line, so the daily open line is the point where the market opens every day. So this is the daily for today. This is where the market opened, and you can see the price was coming from support and it keeps going up. So here is the point where is the daily open line, meaning that the price is still going up above the daily open line, but we are getting to a resistance point. So most likely the price might reverse. All right. So these are the ways you use the software. It's very easy, pretty easy to use. You can use it on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and you can also check your 1 hour for clear direction of the market. But you enter on the smaller time frames. You enter on the smaller time frames. Don't use bigger time frames for entry. All right. So I hope I'm getting some message across to you. So the other ones you also need to put them is the brand to sing. Okay, so the brand to sing is a circle dots. So the circle dots is in red and blue. So if I click OK here, so we're gonna see some circle dots appearing. So these are the circle dots. All right. So the circle dots always point us in the direction of the market. So here it was telling us to buy, and until we get a circle for a sell, that's when we sell. So that is how we go about these softwares. So if you're still having questions, let me know. This is very easy to use. You buy from support and you hold your trade. You sell from resistance over there, you hold your trade. You buy from support, you hold your trade. All right. So wait to hear from you and give me your feedback. All right. Thank you.